Hello and welcome. I guess hold the meat means hold it and spin it. Anyway, on this episode we are making the beer pork. Although we are making more pork, I'll be saying all amounts for 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of meat. Season the pork with salt and pepper thoroughly on both sides. Add some olive oil to the pan. Put about a kilo or 2.2 pounds of pork loin to the pan and fry it until all sides are equally fried. It should look something like this. Move the meat to the other container. Add about 80 grams or 2.8 ounces of bacon to the pan. Then 4 to 5 chopped onions and fry it until the onions soften. Add 1.5 teaspoons of ketchup. Put the mixture over the meat. Then pour some dark beer in until all the meat is covered. Put the meat on medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, put it in the oven at 200°C or 390°F and cook it until it's done. You are welcome to add some of your favorite spices by adding some chopped garlic. It has been cooking in the oven for about 1 hour 40 minutes, but the time depends a lot on the amount of meat you are preparing. Take it out of the oven. Pour some starch slurry in until the liquid thickens. This is how it looks. Not bad? The meat is a bit bitter, but I like it. The taste of course will depend a lot on the beer you're using. Now you try it, Mo.
Lovely. It's very tasty.
Okay, so thanks for watching and until next time. Bye.
Bye. Roma,